What's up? Welcome to another street circumstance vlog. So I've been waiting for this guy to come and do this for me. So I just ended up doing it myself when he cancelled on me today in the morning. So yeah, I've detached a lot. So yeah, I will just keep vlogging from here, fitting in the new hub. And this is the old one. So yeah, the threads are out. They out from this one. So yeah, we're just gonna continue vlogging from here. At the end, yeah, if you want something done right, do it yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna continue from where I ended. Ciao. Okay, so I need to remove this seized bearing from the old hub. Where is it? So yeah, the cover came off. So this is the cover I have to remove so I can put this new hub. This is how it's supposed to be at the back, not like this. See? So yeah, this is what I must remove now. So yeah, let me get it cranky. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so yeah, I finally got it out. And so it's out now. What I need to do is now just replace the new hub. Place the new hub and then put back the brake disc. Yeah, and then we done. Oh, and the dust shield. I need to put back the dust shield first and then the hub on top. Then we're done. So yeah, let me get back to it and then I'll record when it's all done. Okay guys, so it's all done. So I'm still having problems with the rim. It's still leaking air. So I'll put back the tire once I'm done with the rim, and I can't do the rim right now. I have to take back the tool. This thing is big, so I have to take back the tool. So on the way of taking back the tool, I'll just leave the rim by the guy so he can like seal it properly. So yeah, that's all for today. I'ma just pack and then take the tool back, and then on the next video we'll be washing the car, and then we're done. Ciao.